I got my bags and we are headed to this estate sale. Let's go see what we can find. Let's check here first. Look at the wallpaper. This must be like the formal dining room. I mean the formal living room and the dining room right there. These are beautiful side tables. $175 for the set. Another cute little table. $35. Oh look, little swirl teapot. Oh, it's one you plug in. I don't see the plug. I still think I might get this. Oh, it has a chill right there. I'm gonna think about it. Huge rocking chair. This is leather. Look at the arms. $150. Cute little secretary desk right here. $125 for this. It's old. In case you don't know, it's old. There's an oil painting for $55. I do really like this desk. I actually have one of these at my house. They're in my foyer. It was in my foyer at the last house, but I haven't found a spot for it at the new house. I think I paid $25 for it. It's $125 over here. There's a bunch of blue and white. $3.95 for the set. Here's another oil painting right here. $75. I think this is the pantry right here. It's not much room to walk with all the tables. Here's a china set, $95 for all. Another set right here, $250. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it's missing the top right here. Historic America, Johnson Brothers. I found one of these before, I think at the Goodwill Bins, but it was missing this piece, so I did not know what it's for. I want to say I turned this piece into a picture stand and put an American flag right here, but I don't remember. It's been a while. But this one is all put together and adorable. Do I need this for my house? I'm putting my bag and think about it. Here's a bedroom right here. Lots of silver. Some soap. Baby doll laying on the bed. Little switch plate covers. Some little blue and white vases right here. I think these came as a 3-pack. I feel like I've thrifted that before. Hats. Looks like they have Christmas in this room. The pictures look like there was gonna be a lot of stuff that I was interested in, but I'm not finding too much so far. Kind of a Mackenzie Childs-esque. This would actually look really pretty in my kitchen. $15 is not bad for this. These might be hand turned. I really like this one. I might get that one. Christmas, but I don't see any good vintage Christmas. I just noticed this. Look at these giant brass candlesticks, solid brass, $95 for the set. Here's some little brooms. Oh, I could take this and paint it black and we could use this for Ren's Halloween costume. Here's another bedroom right here. Basket. The basket is $40. That's a really pretty basket. I think it says Tiny Tears. The old baby doll kit has the bottle, washcloth, soap, clothing, all the things. Lots of records. This is a cute little hand-painted dish. Oh, and it's signed on the back. 58. I can't read the name. We gotta save this. There's always clowns at every sale. There's a clown. This one's kind of cute and it's a puzzle. But look at this little basket. I have so many of these in different sizes, but I don't have this tiny size, so I need that. That'd be good with a little ivy in it. And I found these cribbage boards. I don't know how to play cribbage, but I love the boards. They look so pretty in decor, so I'm gonna get both of these. I just found a third board. I am upstairs now. They have this piano, little kids table. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see what I see? Look at this doll, the side eye. Another clown. He's sad. It's a sad clown. Wait. Is this a three-faced baby doll? Hold on, let's check. It is not, but the face looked very similar to the last one I found. What are you looking at over there? Alright, this looks like my kind of a room. It's a little weird closet, I guess. I wonder how much the books are. 3 for $10. $5 each. That is a bit much. Unless I was keeping them for myself, but I have tons and tons of books right now. Man, I was excited to come in this room, but I don't see anything that we need. I think this is the last room at this estate sale, which is very disappointing. I was hoping I would find a lot of stuff here. A bunch of paintbrushes, thread. I have a lot of these. $15 for this whole box, but I already have a lot. Sewing patterns. Lots of yarn and polyfield. This must be the sewing room. Pencil holder, I think. I like the way it looks though. What is this? A little perfume sprayer? I mean, if you need yarn, I have lots of it here. Colored dustless chalk. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Some baby shoes. Doesn't have a price on this box. Baby shoes. I wonder if there's a shed. There's sheds over there, but nobody's looking at them, so I'm assuming there's nothing there. I only got a few things. I honestly don't even know how I spent $50 at the estate sale. Everything was also 35% off, so I don't know, but that's just the way it is lately. There's just not much inventory out there. I did grab this little stool when I was checking it out. I guess it was kind of like a little impulse buy because I had one of these when I was little, so I grabbed that. But that's it. Let me know, what is your favorite item I got today, and let me know if y'all have been having a hard time finding lots of goodies. I feel like I used to go to estate sales and load up like 3 IKEA bags full of stuff, and I don't know, it just ain't been like that lately.